Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Imagine a fish that acts as the ocean's very own cleaning service. These little underwater helpers, known as cleaner fish, have an incredibly unique role in the marine ecosystem. Today, we are diving into the world of cleaner fish and uncovering some mind-blowing facts about their fascinating lives.
Let's start with what makes cleaner fish so special: their unique mutualistic relationship with other fish. Cleaner fish offer a valuable service. They remove parasites, dead skin, and even infected tissue from their clients. In return, they get a free meal and protection. This is known as cleaning symbiosis. It's an amazing example of nature's teamwork at its finest. Ever wonder how cleaner fish attract clients? They have a clever trick. Cleaner fish swim up and down in a distinctive, wavy movement that larger fish recognize. This is their way of saying, "Hey, I'm open for business." Larger fish respond by visiting the cleaner fish's station and allowing them to get to work, even opening their mouths and gills for cleaning. One of the most remarkable things about cleaner fish is their fearlessness. They'll boldly enter the mouths of large predators without a second thought. These predators recognize the cleaner fish's role and won't harm them. It's a kind of trust that's rare in the wild. Cleaner fish aren't just for show, they get results. Research has shown that they can reduce the number of parasites on other fish by up to 80%. In other words, cleaner fish play a huge role in keeping the ocean's ecosystems healthy.
Believe it or not, some cleaner fish are social. They'll form groups to work together, handling multiple clients at once. It's like a team of underwater janitors taking care of the whole neighborhood.
Cleaner fish have an impressive way of communicating, using body language to send messages. They'll shake their bodies, open and close their mouths, and use specific postures to let each other know what they're up to. This helps them coordinate, whether they're working solo or in a group. But not all cleaner fish play by the rules. Sometimes, a female cleaner fish will cheat by biting instead of cleaning. And if this happens, the male cleaner fish will step in and punish her by chasing her. What's interesting is that even though he isn't the direct victim, he's taking on the role of keeping things fair. A colorful array of species, cleaner fish come in all sorts of colors and patterns, adding to their appeal. This variety not only makes them fascinating to watch, but also helps them stand out on the reef so potential clients can find them easily. Did you know that some cleaner fish can grow up to 2 feet in length? While most are quite small, there are a few species that grow to be quite large. So, size is no limitation when it comes to their cleaning skills. Despite their incredible adaptability in the wild, many cleaner fish don't do well in captivity. The stresses of an artificial environment make it hard for them to thrive, reminding us just how important it is to preserve their natural habitats.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about cleaner fish, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing ocean facts here on Trendy Pupil. Let's keep exploring the wonders of nature together. Bye-bye.